Back to my YouTube channel. Yeah, in this particular video, let me show you guys how you can create glass morphism on Pixellab. Before we used to create it, but I just added some adjustments to the edge instead of using a full stroke. I'll show you guys that now. So firstly, I'll use a gradient. Let me use this, or let me use my green. Okay, I'll try to create the background. Yeah, so I'll be using this. If you are trying to create a shape with ball, make sure you are using this. Then you drag the middle one to the top like this, and you drag this like this. I'll make this darker. Yeah, so right now you press OK. So I'll change my background size to 1000 by 1280. Yeah, so right now let's start adding our shapes. So this is the first shape. Change the color to the green we have here. Yeah, then you move to your inner shadow. You add inner shadow there. Then increase the blur radius and change the color of the inner shadow to white. So the white, you drag this place, so it won't be too much there, like this. Can you see? Just little. Yeah, we have it now. So now let's adjust the shape. You can edit it now and make it big. Can you see that? Yeah, so let me just bring it here. Then you copy it, edit it again, bring another one down here. Yeah, so right now you copy again, edit. I'm going to add one right here. Can you see that? Yeah, then I'll copy again, I'll edit that also. I'll add another one here, over here. Can you see that? So this one, I'll bring it to the front, so it's going to be at the front of this one here. So let's lock our layers. Yeah, so right now let's add some realistic shadows to the back of the balls. So you select draw, then you adjust your pen size, you add neon effect and increase your blur radius. So just make sure your hand is straight. Just have to calm down and get a straight edge for that. Okay, so right now move to your opacity, reduce the opacity to 0, then move to your shadow, add shadow, then add a color black like this. Can you see that? Increase the blur radius to 25. So after doing this like this, you bring the shape you did right now. Wait, let me try to get so you bring it to the back of the shape you are trying to create the shadow. Can you see that? Can you see? I think the shadow is too visible, so just have to reduce the circle and the black opacity, drag it down. Yeah, so now you add another one here, right here, you add another one. So I'll select draw, then neon effects and blur radius full, then add another one right here. Can you see that? Yeah, so right now you bring that also to the back of this. Yeah, then you can reduce the opacity like this and adjust the size. Can you see what you are doing? Then the last one is here, right here. Just move to your draw again, neon effect, blur radius 25%, then increase your pen size a little bit, then draw your shadow. So you draw the shadow right now like this also. Then you drag this also to the back of the shape and reduce the opacity. You reduce the opacity of the shadow. Okay, so now we are good to go. So first thing now, save it as project Morphism. Let me just use this morphing, then okay, save it. So first thing we'll be doing now, add a shape like this. You see, you can use any shape, but me I'm just using this. Then radius, I'm using 10 for mine. Then you are going to mark it. So as you can see, this image we are having here, let's create the Morphism on third-party app. So firstly, you save this as image, PNG, then Ultra. After saving this as PNG and Ultra, it's going to save. Then the next thing is this: you delete all your layers. But before doing that, make sure you save this image we have here with the shape on it. So let's save it again as projects. So I'll save it as the same projects I saved before. Can you see them? Select OK. Yeah, so delete everything we have here, change your background to transparent, and save the image as Ultra PNG. Then you save it. After saving it, open your PSCC. You can use any third-party app to create Gaussian blur. So I'll be using my own PSCC. So after PSCC is opened, select from your photo library, then select the image of the green background you exported. So just select the image like this. Then after selecting it, move to your FX Gaussian blur. I'll be giving it 50. Yeah. Then OK. So I'll select done and save. Then I'll export it as image as PNG. Then OK. Can you see that? So after doing this, open your Pixellab again. Then move to my projects. Then the one we were creating, you go back there. And this layer right here, you make it invisible. You get it now. So you import the shape we exported from your gallery. You import that. This one, yeah. So you increase the relative size to 100. Don't touch it, just use relative size, increase the size. Then lock the layer and move to your texture. The locking is not compulsory, but me, I love locking my layer. So you select the image, we added the blur as a texture, then you do it like this. Can you see we have the effect? So now let's just add some effect to make it look like a real glass. So firstly, you add color. So here you determine whether you are using a white theme or a dark theme. So you see, I have a white theme here. If I use this, I'll have a white theme here, while the other one is a black themed glass. But I'll be using the dark one. Then I'll lock the layer. So the first shape we have before that I did invisible, you bring it to the front. Yeah, then you make it visible. So right now you select your edit. Don't touch it, just select your edit. Reduce the opacity to 0. And now move to your stroke. Add 1%. Then move to your gradient and add a stroke to it. So right here you select a transparent white. Then right here you select a full white. So now you drag this to this edge and drag this also like this. Let's see what we have. Yeah, so right now you duplicate it, then select edit. So now just move it around and bring it back to middle. Yeah, so now you rotate it like this. Yeah, then can you see the texture of our glass? So next thing now, just add your text. So I'll add Pixellab glass Morphism. Okay, so now move to my fonts, change the font to Nohemi Medium. Yeah, so right now I didn't lock my previous layers, so that's why I lock my layers. So I won't be selecting another thing. So I'll increase my size like this, then reduce my line spacing a little bit and bring it to the middle. Okay, so now I'll add my shape right here. Then you can type any other detail you want, but there is a particular shadow under this glass I created. You do that like this. Select the shape we have on top that we used for the stroke, duplicate it, edit it, increase the opacity. Increase the stroke to the highest one. Then the stroke color is going to be black. Then you close up the shape like this and close up everything like this. So now your blur radius, increase it. So now let's create the blur, the shadow under it. This is it. So make sure your shadow is not passing the shape. Can you see this? So now you drag it to the back of the glass shape we imported like this. Yes, can you see what we are having under there? So now you reduce the opacity like this, and here we have our glass morphism effect. You see everything was created here on Pixellab, so you can just try yours out and send to the community for the review. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a nice day. Bye bye.